Miss Cruz was reading a letter. After reading it, she said, "Children, Rian is absent today. She is in the hospital. She will be in the hospital for a few days. I'm sure you would like to do something for Rian." Now, read along. Read the words when they get yellow. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good job! Now, answer these questions by writing the correct letter on your notebook. Ready? Number 1. Who wrote the letter Miss Cruz read? Letter A, Rian. Letter B, Rian's mother. Letter C, Rian's father. Write your answer now. Number 2. What will Rian's classmates do? Letter A, they will wait for Rian in school. Letter B, they will buy Rian a toy to play with. Letter C, they will visit Rian. Write your answer now. Number 3. How did the story end? Letter A, Rian stayed in the hospital for 1 year. Letter B, Rian went back to school after a few days. Letter C, Rian never went back to school. Write your answer now. If you're done, let's check your work. Number 1. Who wrote the letter Miss Cruz read? The answer is letter B. Rian's mother wrote the letter. Number 2. What will Rian's classmates do? The answer is letter C. They will visit Rian. Number 3. How did the story end? The answer is letter B. Rian went back to school after a few days.
Excellent!
It's raining very hard, Mother, Father said. Will the children go to school? Just then, Mimi came out from her room. She was holding her little radio. She looked very happy. She jumped and laughed when she heard something. Now it's your turn. Good job! Answer these questions. Number 1. Why was Mimi holding her little radio? Letter A, to find out if there would be classes. Letter B, to find out if they have homework. Letter C, to find out who won the contest. Write your answer now. Number 2. Why did Mimi jump when she heard something? Letter A, it was raining hard. Letter B, the radio said there were no classes. Letter C, she won the contest. Write your answer now. Number 3, what will happen if children play long in the rain? Letter A, they will get excited. Letter B, they will get tired. Letter C, they will get sick. Write your answer now. Let's check your work. Number 1, why was Mimi holding her little radio? The answer is letter A. Mimi was holding her little radio to find out if there would be classes. Number 2, why did Mimi jump when she heard something? The answer is letter B. Mimi jumped because the radio said there were no classes. Number 3, what will happen if children play long in the rain? The answer is letter C. They will get sick. Did you get the correct answers?
Wonderful!